So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Marksans Pharma share. So we know that since few sessions, the stock was in little bit of correction and downtrend was observed, especially in few mid cap and small cap pharma stocks and Marksans, followed by other stocks like Morpine Laboratories. So these type of companies have significantly showed the correction. So coming to Marksans Pharma, we know recently the company has also posted the quarter results which were very good. So quarter on quarter basis increment was present and year on year basis as well very good growth was present. So despite that, why correction is the big question that many people are having. So yesterday also I've explained few reasons why many small cap and mid cap stocks are showing the correction. So profit booking has started a little bit, especially pharma stocks. We know since last year they've given some very good rally. So you need to agree that. So pharma stocks only will correct in little manner because they only have given some huge returns. So this is one important point that I wanted to tell. So now we'll try to do the technical analysis because fundamental wise and financial wise, so there is nothing major problem with Marksans Pharma. It is at a very good valuation. So already we discussed about it. So technicals wise, it is looking little bit of bearish. So we'll try to clarify each and everything. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so now discussing about the major thing related to Marksans Pharma. So you can see an update was released yesterday itself when it has posted the quarter result that despite the second wave that where various business were affected. We know yesterday also we have discussed few companies where due to second wave their management got affected. So ultimately financials were also affected. So despite that, we have seen a very good growth in Marksans Pharma. So you need to agree that fundamental wise there is no problem. So that is what I want to tell. And financials wise also let's see quarter on quarter basis also how the company has performed. Okay, so if you see the basic financials year on year basis, we will understand that earning before interest and taxes, so they have also increased steadily. So not a multifold growth, but we can say marginal increment is present on quarter on, that is year on year basis. So you can see 10.5% increment was present. You can see earnings before interest and taxes. So operating revenue also it has increased with 5.4%. And you can see net profit was maintained at 62.6 crore for the quarter ended. So whatever it has posted. So earlier it was only around 49.4%. So here also growth is present around 26.8%. So okay, so financials wise, we know whenever financials will be negative, so that time downtrend would be present. But in this particular stock, we know whenever it gives some very good result, so that time also little bit of weakness happens where people have taken at high levels, so they'll try to do the panic selling. So never do that. So when market is going up, many people buy, but why not when it is coming down? So there also you need to take the risk and you need to average. So let's quickly go to technical charts and also we'll see the day-to-day wise deliveries. Okay, so if you see the day-to-day wise deliveries, so you can see on 10th August, we have seen 47.8% deliveries and the stock has corrected around 5.1%. So back-to-back correction was present. So a little bit of consolidation followed by downtrend was observed. So market was also following the same set of pattern. So since 2 days, we know it was a choppy market and today huge volatility was present. So swings upside downside. So in that manner, okay, index is also traveling. So you need to be very cautious. You should not try to have entry at the high levels, and again you should not book any sort of loss. So simply follow the strategy of averaging and holding. Okay, so percentage wise you can see very good increment still it is maintained. So traded quantity is not increasing, so that is well and good. So everyone who are buying this particular stock, so they are holding for long term. Okay, so next moving towards technical charts of Marksans Pharma. So once you see the technical charts, so you can see a pattern which already we have observed and that we have discussed in Telegram group also. So after discussing, we know after coming below the trend line, so the stock has continuously started showing the weakness, especially after coming below the 50-day exponential moving average. That is very important moving average. So clearly I told many times, so try to put on a technical charts so that you will also exactly exactly have the idea where the stock is going. So as you can see, next immediate support we have near the 72 rupees region. So what ultimately the stock is trying to do here? So you can see earlier a gap up was created here. Can you observe that a gap up was created due to various positive updates at that point of time that we have received? So that particular gap, you can see now it has been completely filled by Marksans Pharma. So again, it can retrace. Already I told you. So whenever any stock is showing a parabolic fall, again it will start to retrace. So when you stretch a rubber band and when you leave it, so same retracement would be present. So simple logic you need to understand in same way in this particular stock as well. So tomorrow we can expect retracement. As I told, support is 72, followed by we also have the 200-day exponential moving average in near term, which is around 66 rupees level. So max, so these are going to be the support regions that the stock would be facing. So apart from that, whatever the board meeting also happened on 11th August, so there also the company has decided for the management, especially the appointment of we know cycles keep happening and the management keeps changing. So director comes in another place, so he stays for 3 years. So that sort of cycle also happens. So those are only the major updates, followed by quarter result. So further, if you're having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is stocks diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.